Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the hardware and location. If your desktop lacks built-in Wi-Fi, plug in a compatible USB adapter and install its driver. Windows or Mac OS often detects it automatically. Once the adapter is recognized, enable the wireless radio in System Settings or the adapter utility. Make sure to have the SSID and network password ready so you can authenticate immediately, and move the desktop closer to the router if the signal is weak to reduce dropouts. Now you connect and fine-tune settings. Open your system's network panel, scan for the SSID, and select it. The system will prompt for the Wi-Fi password. Enter it carefully, then pick a private or home profile if you trust the network. This enables device discovery and file sharing. Make sure the adapter's IP4 is set to DHCP for most homes. Only set a static IP if your router requires it. Finally, test browsing and a speed test to confirm throughput. Finish by securing and optimizing your connection. Confirm the router uses WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and a strong password. This protects your desktop from unauthorized access. Update the wireless adapter driver and router firmware to improve stability and performance. If you encounter issues, try simple fixes. Reboot the router and desktop, forget and rejoin the network, or test the USB adapter in a different port. If problems persist, run the system network troubleshooter or check for channel interference from nearby networks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.